The unwavering power of deadlines. Forging accountability and achieving goals. In the realm of personal and professional achievement, the concept of accountability stands as a cornerstone. It's the bedrock upon which trust is built, progress is measured, and success is realized. But accountability, in its abstract form, can be elusive. To transform it from a mere aspiration into a tangible reality, we must introduce a crucial element: deadlines. Deadlines are not merely arbitrary timestamps. They are the catalysts that propel us towards action, the guardians of focus, and the ultimate drivers of accountability. The anatomy of accountability and the role of deadlines. Accountability, at its core, involves taking ownership of one's actions, commitments, and outcomes. It necessitates a clear understanding of responsibilities and a willingness to be held answerable for fulfilling them. However, without a concrete timeframe, accountability can easily dissolve into vague intentions and delayed actions. Deadlines provide the necessary structure and urgency, transforming abstract obligations into concrete, time-bound commitments. Consider a project with no designated completion date. The lack of a deadline can lead to procrastination, diffused focus, and a general sense of inertia. Conversely, a project with a clearly defined deadline instills a sense of urgency, fostering a proactive approach and a focused determination to achieve the desired outcome. The deadline acts as a powerful motivator, compelling individuals to prioritize tasks, manage their time effectively, and overcome obstacles. Benefits of setting deadlines for enhanced accountability. The benefits of setting deadlines extend far beyond mere task completion. They permeate various aspects of personal and professional development, fostering a culture of accountability and driving tangible results. Enhanced focus and productivity. Deadlines create a sense of urgency, forcing individuals to prioritize tasks and eliminate distractions. This heightened focus translates into increased productivity and efficient use of time. Improved time management. By imposing a time constraint, deadlines encourage individuals to develop effective time management skills. They learn to allocate resources, delegate tasks, and optimize their workflow to meet the designated timeframe. Reduced procrastination. Procrastination, the arch nemesis of productivity, thrives in the absence of deadlines. The looming presence of a deadline acts as a powerful deterrent, compelling individuals to take action and overcome the urge to delay. Increased motivation and drive. The sense of accomplishment that accompanies meeting a deadline provides a significant boost to motivation and drive. This positive reinforcement encourages individuals to tackle future challenges with renewed confidence and determination. Clearer progress tracking. Deadlines provide a tangible metric for measuring progress. By tracking milestones and deadlines, individuals can assess their performance, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. Strengthened communication and collaboration. When working in teams, deadlines facilitate clear communication and collaboration. They provide a shared understanding of expectations and timelines, ensuring that everyone is aligned and working towards a common goal. Building trust and credibility. Consistently meeting deadlines demonstrates reliability and commitment, fostering trust and credibility among colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. Crafting effective deadlines. Principles and practices. While setting deadlines is crucial, not all deadlines are created equal. To maximize their effectiveness, it's essential to adhere to certain principles and practices. SMART goals. Deadlines should be aligned with SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures that deadlines are realistic, attainable, and directly contribute to the overall objectives. Break down large tasks. Large, complex projects can be overwhelming without a structured approach. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks with individual deadlines can make the process more approachable and less daunting. Realistic timeframes. Setting unrealistic deadlines can lead to stress, burnout, and diminished motivation. It's crucial to consider the complexity of the task, available resources, and potential obstacles when determining a timeframe. Communicate deadlines clearly. Ensure that all stakeholders are aware of the deadlines and understand their roles and responsibilities. Clear communication minimizes misunderstandings and promotes accountability. Monitor progress regularly. Regularly monitor progress towards deadlines to identify potential roadblocks and make necessary adjustments. This proactive approach helps to prevent delays and ensures that the project stays on track. Celebrate milestones and achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones and achievements along the way. This positive reinforcement reinforces accountability and motivates individuals to continue working towards the final deadline. Create a system for accountability. This might mean using a task management system, or a physical planner. It also might include regular meetings with a supervisor, or peers. Be flexible when needed. Sometimes unexpected events happen. Be willing to adjust deadlines when needed. This does not mean that deadlines are not important. It just means that they are not set in stone, and that flexibility can be a valuable tool. Learn from missed deadlines. When a deadline is missed, take the time to analyze what went wrong, and learn from the experience. This will help to prevent future missed deadlines. The psychological impact of deadlines. Deadlines exert a powerful psychological influence on human behavior. The looming presence of a deadline triggers a sense of urgency, activating the brain's reward system and motivating individuals to take action. The fear of missing a deadline can also act as a potent motivator, compelling individuals to overcome procrastination and stay focused on the task at hand. Furthermore, the sense of accomplishment that accompanies meeting a deadline releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This positive reinforcement strengthens the association one between meeting deadlines and achieving success, further motivating individuals to adhere to future deadlines. Deadlines in a collaborative environment. In collaborative environments, deadlines play a critical role in fostering teamwork and ensuring project success. They provide a shared understanding of expectations, promote clear communication, and facilitate coordinated action. When everyone is working towards a common deadline, it creates a sense of shared responsibility and strengthens team cohesion. However, it's essential to ensure that deadlines are realistic and achievable for all team members. Overly ambitious deadlines can lead to stress, conflict, and diminished morale. Effective collaboration requires a balance between setting challenging deadlines and providing adequate support and resources. Conclusion. The indispensable role of deadlines. In a world where distractions abound and time is a precious commodity, deadlines serve as indispensable tools for forging accountability and achieving goals. They provide the necessary structure, urgency, and motivation to transform aspirations into tangible results. By embracing the power of deadlines, individuals and organizations can unlock their full potential, cultivate a culture of accountability, and achieve unprecedented levels of success. Deadlines aren't meant to be instruments of stress, but rather tools of liberation. When used properly, they free us from the endless loop of someday, and anchor us in the power of now. They transform the abstract into the concrete, and the potential into the realized. By mastering the art of setting and adhering to deadlines, we take control of our time, our actions, and ultimately, our destinies.